Greetings of the day from Uma Devi Children's Academy. I am Navdeep Kaur and we are going to learn computers. Students, we were on chapter number 6, formatting a document. We have already completed one session and this is the second session. Okay? But before starting the video, make sure that you are using your phone in the landscape mode. You are sitting in a quiet place. You are sitting in a good network connectivity area. Use headphones for better sound quality and sit with all your essential stationery. So are you all ready? Let's begin the video. Okay. First of all, tell me what we have learned in the previous session. It was a practical class, no? So what have you learned? We have learned about formatting a document. है ना? We have learned about changing the font type, font size, font case, right? We have applied the text in bold, italic and underlined also, right? We have changed the text color, text alignment, line spacing. So many things we have done. So do you remember all those things? Have you understood the practical section of this chapter? Okay. Today we will discuss brain developer exercises. Have you done brain developer exercises? Okay, we will discuss them. Okay. Open page number 57 in your book. If you are not sitting with your book, pause the video and bring your book. Let's begin. Okay. First question is fill in the blank. By default, text is aligned to the dash margin. Which margin the text is aligned by default? When you work on the MS Word, the text is aligned on which margin? It is aligned to the left margin. Yes. So we will write here left margin. Okay. Next is dash is the vertical distance between successive lines of the text. What you call that space? The vertical space between the two lines is known as what? We have learned to change that space also. It is called line spacing. Okay, what? Line spacing. So we will write here line spacing. Do you remember how to change the line spacing? You can change the line spacing from the paragraph group in the home tab. Okay? Okay, next is the change case option is available in the dash group. In which group is the change case option available? You can change the case also, na? Uppercase, lowercase, sentence case, toggle case. We have learned about it now. So in which group is that option to change the case is present? It is present in the font group. Okay, in home tab. Home tab, font group. Okay, so we will write here font group. F-O-N-T. Next is dash is a gallery of pre-designed pictures that can be inserted directly in a document. So you can insert the pictures from your gallery, okay, from the computer, right? And next you can insert the pictures from the clip art, and clip art is the pre-designed gallery of MS Word. Okay, so we will write here clip art. Clip art is a gallery of pre-designed pictures. Next is a dash is a small graphic symbol that is placed in front of items in a list. If you want to write the points in the list, then what is the graphic picture in front of each list known as? It is called bullet. Very good. That like this. यहाँ पे it is written now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are the items of the list, right? And what is this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? These are bullets. You can add bullets now. You can add a specific character like this. You can add this also, right? Or there are so many bullets in MS Word. 1, 2, 3, I वाला वो वाला symbol है ना, ऐसे वाला. You can insert these also, right? So all these are bullets. Okay, next is true and false. By default, Microsoft Word sets the font to Calibri body. I have told you now, by default, the font style is Calibri, right? So this is true. And what is the font size? By default, it is 16, okay? So first one is true, Calibri body. This is the default MS Word font style, okay? Next is justified alignment means that the text is aligned with the left margin. Is it so? What is justify align? First of all, tell me what are the different options in which you can align your text. You can align your text to the right, to the left, in the center, justified align, right? These are the 4 alignment options now. So what is justified alignment? It places your text evenly between the left and the right margin, right? So, and here it is written that it means that the text is aligned to the left margin. No, it is not. In which alignment the text is aligned to the left margin? It is aligned text left. Okay, in aligned text left, your text is aligned to the left margin. But in the justified alignment, your text is placed evenly between left and right margin. So this is false. Next is, we can apply bullets to a text document by selecting the bullets button. Yes, we have bullets button in the home tab in paragraph group. From there you can apply bullets. So this is true. Next is, the bold button is used to display the text in the darker shade than the rest of the text. What happens to the bold? When you apply bold to your text, what happens? Your text is displayed in the darker shade, right? So this is also true. Okay, next is, the clipart task pane appears to the right of the document. Yes, clipart task pane appears to the right of the document. If you want to insert the picture from the clipart, then you have to go in the insert tab and select clipart. Okay, you can insert picture, or there is an option to insert the clipart also. From there you can select the clipart and insert it in your text, right? And this pane appears in the right side of the document. Okay, so this is true. You can even see this practically. Okay, you can insert a clipart in your document and see where the clipart task pane appears. It appears in the right side of the document. Okay. Next page, page number 58. Application-based questions. You will answer these, okay? Ritika has designed a colorful invitation card. The teacher has advised her to apply border and shading effects around the card. Help Ritika to apply the effects. How will you apply the border and shading to your drawing? How will you apply the border? First of all, you will go in the home tab. First step. Then you will select it. Then in the paragraph group, you will click on the border button. Right? Drop down menu will appear and you will select the borders as shading option. Okay. So these are the steps to apply the border and shading. You have to write these steps. Okay. Next is the teacher has asked Madhav to draft a list of students of his class to enter the marks. What will you suggest him to apply to the list in order to beautify the document? What can you apply to the list? What do you apply to the list to make it attractive and clear to see? What do you apply? You apply bullets. Very good, right? तभी तो आपकी लिस्ट डिस्क्रिमिनेट हो पाएगी ना वन आइटम फ्रॉम दी अदर कि यहाँ पे वन आइटम इज दिस सेकेंड इज दिस थर्ड इज दिस तो आप अगर नंबर डाल के सारे स्टूडेंट्स के नेम्स लिखोगे तो अच्छा लगेगा देखने में इट विल लुक क्लियर राइट so he can add bullets to his list. Next are multiple choice questions. Dash alignment is used to set the text evenly between the left and right margins. Which sets the text in the left and right margin equally? Justify alignment. Very good. If it is not clear here, you can see in your book. It's not even for you, it's for me only. Okay? Option number C, justify alignment. Next is, you can click on the dash tab to apply a border around a page. Which option you have to select to apply the border to your page? You will select borders option in the paragraph group in home tab. Okay, so option number A, borders, is correct. Next is, the dash alignment is mostly used for titles and headings. Which alignment do you use for headings and titles? I have told you, center align. Very good. Center align is used mostly for headings and titles because you want your headings and titles to appear in the center, right? So, center align. Next is, on which tab is the font color button available? Which tab? Font color. If you have to change the color, in which tab you will find it? You will find it in the home tab. Okay? So, first option, home tab. Next is, answer the following questions. You have to write the answers in your own words. Okay? We will only discuss the answers. First is, what does formatting mean? What is formatting? Formatting is changing the appearance of the text or the document, right? To make it more attractive, to make it clear, to beautify it. So, formatting is changing the appearance of the text to make it more attractive. Next is, list the different change case options available in the Microsoft Word 2010. What are the different change case options? You have sentence case, uppercase, lowercase, toggle case, capitalize each word, and what does each case do? What happens in the sentence case? All the letters, all the starting letters of the sentence are capitalized, right? Like after the full stop, when you will write, the first letter will be in uppercase. Okay? Next, in the uppercase, what happens in the uppercase? Whatever you have written, if it is in lowercase, when you will select and change it to the uppercase, all the letters will appear in the uppercase. And vice versa, if you will you have written in uppercase, then you will select lowercase, all the letters will appear in the lowercase. What happens to the toggle case? In toggle case, the first letter appears in lowercase and all other letters appears in the uppercase. Okay? like this. If you have to write home, it will be written like this. H in lowercase, O and E in uppercase. Okay? And in capitalized each word, what will happen? If you have written a sentence, all the first letters of the words will be capitalized. In this, it will be like this. H bada and home. Okay? Okay? It will appear like this in capitalized each word, and in toggle case, it will appear like this. Okay? This is the difference between two. Next question, what do you understand by text alignment? Name the types of alignments available in Microsoft Word 2010. What is text alignment? It is the position of the text on the page, right? From where it will start. है ना? Left margin से right margin से it will be equal. ठीक है? It is the placement of the text on the page. Okay? How many different types of alignment options do we have in MS Word? We have different alignment options, 4 different alignment options, right? Align text left, align text right, center alignment, and justify alignment. Okay? These are the 4 different alignment options in MS Word. Next is, what do you understand by line spacing? What is line spacing? Line spacing is the vertical distance between two adjacent lines, right? And you can even increase or decrease this space between two lines, right? So this is line spacing. Have you understood all the things? If you have any doubts, you can ask, okay? Now your homework is that you have to read chapter number 7, more about Scratch. You have learned Scratch previous class also, right? So in this chapter we have Scratch. You have to read this chapter beforehand, okay? And in the next video we will start this chapter number 7, more about Scratch, okay? That's all for today. Keep learning, keep growing. Thank you.